turning daily routines into a money-making machine. Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll explore how you can transform your everyday habits into a lucrative income stream. From simple tasks like cooking and exercising to sharing your hobbies online, there are countless opportunities to monetize what you already do. We'll dive into practical strategies, inspiring success stories, and actionable tips that will help you leverage your daily routines for financial gain. Get ready to discover how your ordinary life can become an extraordinary source of income. Let's unlock the potential hidden in your daily habits and turn them into a money-making machine. Step 1. Identify your daily habits. To kickstart your journey, begin by identifying your daily habits. Common activities like commuting, exercising, cooking, or even your morning coffee ritual can hold untapped potential. Spend a week keeping a journal of your routines, noting what you do and how much time you spend on each task. This exercise will help you recognize which habits can be monetized. By understanding your daily activities, you can pinpoint opportunities to turn them into income-generating ventures. Remember, the key to success lies in recognizing the value of what you already do every day. Step 2. Evaluate monetization opportunities. Now that you've identified your daily habits, it's time to evaluate how to monetize them. Consider various avenues, such as blogging or vlogging about your experiences, sharing tips, or showcasing your skills. Platforms like YouTube, Patreon, and Etsy offer fantastic opportunities for income generation. For instance, you could create cooking tutorials, fitness videos, or sell handmade crafts. Think creatively about your interests and skills. What unique perspective can you share? By exploring these options, you can turn your passions into profitable ventures, making your daily routines not just enjoyable but also financially rewarding. Step 3. Create a content plan with monetization opportunities in mind. It's time to create a content plan. Outline a schedule that aligns with your daily routines, ensuring you can consistently produce content without feeling overwhelmed. Consider various types of content, such as tutorials, product reviews, or lifestyle tips that resonate with your audience. For example, if you enjoy cooking, plan weekly recipe videos. Emphasize the importance of consistency and quality in your content production. Regular uploads will help build your audience and establish credibility. By having a clear plan, you'll stay organized and focused on turning your daily habits into engaging content. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal following. Encourage viewers to interact by leaving comments and connecting with you on social media platforms. This interaction fosters a sense of community around shared interests, making your content more relatable and enjoyable. Consider hosting live Q&A sessions or polls to gather feedback and understand what your audience wants to see next. By actively engaging with your viewers, you not only enhance their experience but also create a supportive environment that encourages growth and collaboration. Remember, a strong community can significantly boost your monetization efforts. Step 5. Monetize your content. Now it's time to monetize your content effectively. Explore various methods, such as affiliate marketing, ads, and sponsorships to generate income. For instance, you can use tools like Google AdSense to display ads on your blog or YouTube channel, or join Amazon Associates to earn commissions by promoting products. Diversifying your income streams is essential for stability. Consider combining multiple methods to maximize your earnings. By implementing these strategies, you can turn your passion into a sustainable source of income, ensuring that your daily routines not only bring joy but also financial rewards. Step 6. Analyze and adjust your strategy to ensure ongoing success. It's vital to analyze and adjust your strategy regularly. Encourage viewers to track their progress and income consistently, as this will provide valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. Utilize analytics tools to understand audience preferences, such as which content resonates most or drives engagement. This data is crucial for refining your approach. Highlight the importance of adapting your strategies based on feedback and results. Being flexible allows you to stay relevant and meet your audience's needs. By continuously evaluating your efforts, you can enhance your monetization journey and achieve greater success. Key points in this video: we explored how to turn your daily routines into a money-making machine. We discussed identifying your habits, evaluating monetization opportunities, creating a content plan, engaging with your audience, and finally monetizing your content. Remember, consistency and adaptability are key to success. Now it's time for you to take action. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing to our channel for more insights. Don't forget to like and share this video, and explore our related content to further enhance your journey toward monetizing your daily habits. Let's make your routines work for you.